The government has put 23 countries on drought alert, actually counties should be the word, on drought alert, and has set aside about 5 billion shillings to respond to this year's round of the cyclic crisis. But a report from the Parliamentary Budget Office casts a dry spell on preparedness by government against the recurrent drought and famine now threatening the lives of over 2.5 million Kenyans. Now, this anatomy of a food crisis analysis asks whether Kenya can really rise above the perennial hunger. Given the climate change and human activities such as deforestation, recurrent drought is to be expected, and with that, the government should plan and budget properly to avoid food shortage. The report also says the county governments have simply failed to improve food security, focusing more on projects like road infrastructure, development and construction of buildings. They also say that the government policies have been seen to be more reactive than visionary, this hampering the ability of the government to improve livelihoods. Simply put, the report asserts that there's no magic to this to this issue of resolving the food crisis, and that there are plenty existing development strategies that can be utilized, this time more diligently. And unless leaders rise to the occasion, the crisis will still persist. No need to reinvent the wheel here.